Do you see how strong this is? Guys. Hello little weirdos, welcome to another video, and today we are doing a TK MAXX HOMESENSE and Argos haul. Yeah, and this is episode number 4 of our Spookathon. So this video is coming on October the 4th. And if you like this sort of videos, if you like hauls, if you like stores walkthroughs, if you like spooky stuff in general, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave me a thumbs up for this video. And also, if you have any comments, if you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment down below. So let's start the video. This is not my biggest haul at all. I have done so much more damage to my bank account because I do feel that now it's not the peak of the season for them. Even though Tesco, Lidl, Aldi, all the other supermarkets and stores are only now putting out their stocks, but TK MAXX seems to fall into their own set of rules, and I believe that this is the last stock that I've bought from them in this season at all. Oh, also, some stores of TK MAXX and HOMESENSE are actually doing a clearance right now. So if you're lucky enough to find some Halloween items, perhaps you come across some clearance. I don't know. Try your luck. The first item is this little fella here that is a palmistry hand, and it's a black hand with a shiny black finish with some zodiac signs, and it's in gold, black. There are some crystals and a little bit of glitter. And what I like about it is that it's gold and black, and I really like the combination of gold and black. And the fact that it's quite small, so I can squeeze it into, I don't know, my desk or something like this. But you know when you like the thing, but you don't love it because you already put in your mind something specific and this isn't there already. I don't know if I'm being clear, but you know, I thought, well, I think I'm going to buy it. And if I come across the one that I am really in love with, that I saw the pictures at Instagram and at the Facebook page that I belong, I'm going to return it and I'm going to get the one that I actually want. But then what happened was I lost the receipt for this one, and honestly I just forgot about the whole other palmistry saga. And one day I was roaming at HOMESENSE, minding my own business, and then I see hidden in a shelf, like a shelf that had absolutely nothing to do with Halloween, I found it. This is the hand, the palmistry hand that I was actually searching for. It's so much more detailed and it's also black, but it's a black with white details. And it has flowers, it has waves, and it's so much larger than the other one. Let me put them in comparison. And I really like the aesthetic of this one better than this. And it has an eye and flowers and crosses and hearts. And it's also detailed in the back. The other one isn't. And there you have it. It was just €1 more expensive than the other one, so this was $9.99 and this was $8.99 if I am not wrong, so €10, €9. Yeah, and I thought, well, I think I'm just going to keep both. I don't know if I'm going to actually sell it, this guy here, or if I'm going to keep both. I don't know. This guy, I'm for sure keeping it, but this one, I'm not settled yet. Well, I accept suggestions. What do you guys think? Should I keep them both? Should I sell this guy? I don't know. Okay, so the next two items are from TK Maxx, and there are two glass cups, and they had 4 designs in total, but I only got these 2. So this is Potion 13 and this is Bat's Blood. Well, these were not cheap, they were €4, so $3.99. And I need to tell a story about them because I came across with these glasses 3 times in person and I didn't get them because the finish wasn't like good. The silk, the pattern was always like missing a part, and you know when it's not part of the design but it wasn't like well made, well manufactured, I am not sure. And this one, if I look closely, I can see that the line isn't straight. I don't know if you guys can see, but I never got them because of that. I thought that, well, it's not like cents, it's €4 for a cup. And although it's not poorly made, I mean, the glass material is like thick, I was really torn. I don't know if I should get it, if I should not. And I always ended up not getting them. But on the Facebook groups, I was like seeing every single day people asking, oh, I'm searching for this item, and there always was a picture of some design between these 4 that I mentioned. And I thought, well, if I come across with them one more time in real life and they are at least a little bit acceptable, like doesn't have to be perfect but acceptable, I'm gonna get them. And finally I came across with them at TK Maxx in Blanchardstown in Dublin, and I got them, and they had all 4 designs, which is crazy because it was in the end of the season. And I don't know what happens with TK Maxx, guys, really. I don't understand their logic on their shipments, but anyway, I won't complain because I got them and they were looking better than the previous ones, so I'm glad I got them only in the end, so I could choose better. The next item, it's a door stopper, and it's a bat-shaped door stopper, and his name is BArTholomeu. We already gave him a name, and we are already using it, and it was €13, $12.99. It's a a black bat, and it's heavy. That it's a quality that you need to appreciate in a door stopper. And it's so cute, has a pointy nose, and I know that some people were buying their door stoppers to make plushes of it, so they took out the sands or the stones or whatever they put in here on his arms. Ow!
On his arms. Ow!
Alright, so now that you met BArTholomeu, let's move over to the next item that I'm using already a lot. I need to confess, guys, because I've been postponing to do this video, and some of the stuff I am already using, so it's not like I'm not taking out just out of the bags for you. I've been using already, but I thought, okay, I need to sit down and record this, otherwise I will just lose and never show you guys the haul that I actually did. But the next item is also from HomeSense, and I found on the same day that I found the hand, the palmistry hand that was hidden, and it's this skeleton hand. And guys, I love it. I had it in my wish list. Yes, I do have a wish list. I stalk people, I know what they're buying, and I like take screenshots and save it, and I keep staring at night. And all right, I know that I'm creepy enough, but I had this on my screenshot. And I am from Brazil, but I live in Ireland for 2 years. And I know for sure that some stuff get to the UK but never comes in here. So I was like, oh, I'm never going to see that. And this is true for some of the items of my list. But for this hand, my dreams came true. And it's so me. This screams me because I love flowers. I love flowers and I love purple, but I also am a bit spooky, I guess. And I love skeletons, I love bones. I love watching like movies and documentaries. I love to understand death, and some people don't appreciate it, but I don't fear skeletons, and I think they are quite beautiful actually. So this is me, this is Vivi in a nutshell, and it also balances very well. It's a hand holding some flowers, some purple flowers, and in the inner part of the flower it's yellow, and there is a little bug in here. I don't think it's a bee, I'm not sure, but there is a little bug in here. And guys, I really love this one. This one is already on my desk. I am already using it, and it's so pretty because it doesn't matter from which direction you look at it, it's always pretty. So take a look. It's really pretty. This was €7, I think. I think it was $6.99 or $7.99. I'm not sure, I don't remember. I removed the sticker that was over here. But this is one of my favorite items of the season because as I mentioned, I like stuff that I can keep up and keep on displaying it all year round. And this is perfect for that. What, BArTholomeu? What? The next item? He wants me to show you the next item. And it's the tea light holder. And there is nothing much to say about it. It's just a cool tea light holder. And there is like golden flowers in here. It's not in perfect condition, as you can see. There's a lot of the glitter missing. But I got it not to use it as a tea light holder. I'm gonna show you. Are you ready? Are you ready? Voila. Guys, this is the perfect usage of a tea light holder. I am keeping it as this. As I mentioned, I am already using it, and I'm keeping them here in my desk, my vanity desk. And this is perfect. And it was €6. It was $5.99. And that's it. Perfect. Perfect for that. Let me place it near BArTholomeu. The next item is a candle. I can't control myself, I know. This is pumpkin sugar from Everyday Luxe, and it was $9.99, and it's a soy blend. I'm not going to say a lot about it because I have a dedicated video just talking about the candles, and I have recorded twice already, and I lost the video. I don't know what's going on with my phone, but I will re-record it because I think it's worth it. And oh, it's amazing. I really like it. There is a wick, just 1 wick, wooden wick actually, and I love wooden wicks. And well, there isn't much to say. It's pretty. My husband says that I have two kinds of candle. I have looking at candles and the candles that I can use. So there is one candle hidden in there, and that's one that he's allowed to use. This one, I'm going to kill him if he ever touches it. So that's pumpkin sugar. And last, oh, this one was from, I think it was HomeSense. I'm not sure, I don't remember anymore. I think it was HomeSense because it was from my latest purchase there. The next item is the last one from this haul from TK MAXX HOMESENSE, and this is a pumpkin. It's a pumpkin. It's a spiky pumpkin, and it was €8.99, so €9. And I wasn't going to buy it because the paint job is so messy, so sloppy, and this is one of the things with some items at TK Maxx. You like the overall style of it when you look from afar, but when you come close to it, you see that the paint job or the details are messy. And I need to confess that I have left behind so many items there at the shelf. I never bought it because I thought, well, it's not good enough. But then I saw a video of the haunted bat. I'm gonna leave her video in here. And she was painting a fortune teller. And I was like, oh my God, I never thought I could paint it. Well, I know I can paint things, but I never like did the math of the thing. So I bought this with only the purpose of revamping it. I don't know if I'm doing it purple, if I'm doing it black, if I'm doing it gold. I don't know. Leave a suggestion down below which color should I paint it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know if I can show you how sloppy this is, how sloppy this paint job was done. I hope the camera can capture it. The next item and the last item, I won't disappoint you guys. It's a spooky sign. This one was from Argos, and I know that it's also available on Argos UK, but sometimes it's sold out on the website, but keep looking, you're gonna find it. I was lucky to find this one, and it was €15. I don't know how much it will be in pounds, but well, probably less, probably €12 or so. And also today I'm filming this. Today is October the 3rd. Yeah, today is October the 3rd, and this video is going up on October the 4th. But just today and yesterday, just today I'm seeing pictures of Sainsbury's, and Sainsbury's is selling the exact same sign. So this one was totally worth it, and I think you guys should see why it was worth it. So take a look. Are you guys ready? Yep, are you guys ready? Okay. Watch your eyes. Guys, do you see how strong this is? Guys. And I was waiting to record this video because I am crazy to put this over here. I'm going to make this wall a really nice backdrop for us. And this is going to be the masterpiece of the wall. But I was waiting. I need to film this first. I need to show you. I need to have the whole experience of the spooky side with you guys. But guys, this is lovely. Do you see how my hands like... This is insane. This is totally insane. For €15. Guys, this is amazing. And you have... This is even like hurts my eye to see. But it has a wooden... Oh, sorry, no. A metal framing here where you can put some screws or nails. Yeah, you can see it in here. And in here. Where you can put it in the wall. So with this spooky sign, I'm going to end this video, and I hope you guys like it. And if you liked, as I mentioned earlier, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys into the next one, into the Spookathon number 5, and see you guys there. Bye.